We're in a place called Pukekura Park here in New Plymouth, New Zealand, and we're going to the Festival of Lights, so come see what we see. Heading into the park. A few food courts, a little bit of lights, but looking forward to seeing what's inside. We're out here with my nephew Mason and his lovely wife Ebony, and we're doing the Festival of Lights here in New Plymouth, New Zealand, 2025. Only a couple more nights, so it's good that we're coming tonight because it's supposed to rain the next couple of nights, but what an awesome sight to see. This spot here is called the Echoing Reeds. What is this? I know it's for kids, so I want in there. Wow. Miss, can I come in and do that? Can I come in and do that? Sweet.
Wow. See your side. Come right up to the top.
Ah,
That could be all shots.
pretty clever. Ah. Oh, there we go.
It's got most holes, so you have to like out now. Yeah. So when you get people, like everyone on that, you know, on all of the hands, that's quite cool.
This little box that these girls are pushing buttons on actually changes these trees to different colors. So let's see what happens.
Yeah.
Crossing the bridge now.